Pasko na, so welcome to Vesla Mobile e-Food Cart. So for this video, mag-update tayo ng mga ginawa nating food cart. Tara! So we have here our Sophia Food Cart bound to Cavite, I believe. Cavite ba talaga to? Cavite. Biskaya pala. Layo nito, layo sobra. This is Biskaya, this is Brood of Life going to Mina. May inayos na kami konti dito. Zedness going to Bohol, hinihintay na lang yung tracking. We also have Torre Francas bound to Bataan. Layo rin Bataan. So we also have Bangkok bound to Puerto Princesa. This also is for Bohol pala. Malayo rin to. We also have Happy Kitchen. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ginawa natin for Happy Kitchen. We also build a Happy Kitchen, yung parang dashcam nila. Meron siyang front and rear camera. Check natin mamaya. So what we have here is for a basic model. Pero this one, pinagaya kasi yung pagka-red ang top dito sa gilid. So, I don't know lang if ipapalagay pa dito. Pero, yung dito is nasa countertop stainless na po yan. This is once a basic package natin. This was dine type. Tapos, this one is a window. Window po yan. Window. Which is, ano ba lock dito? Yun. Which is ito, magiging canopy or cover ng clients nyo. Or, you can also use this option. Kasi may glass to. For example, you have a deep fryer here, if you have a griddle here, pwede na yan na tawag dito, magiging cover na siya. So you don't need to put a glass para at least hindi matamaan ng hot surfaces yung clients nyo. Also, what we did here is yung table nila. We adjusted yung table. Mas mababa yung isa, tapos yung dito parang mayroon siyang corner na nilagay kasi that was a custom sizes for the equipment na gagamitin nila. So baga, if you're gonna have a custom equipment on your side, just let us know para at least ma-customize natin yung countertop ninyo. We also have here the Brood of Life. This will be delivered by tomorrow. May konting retouch lang and everything. This one is a cladded, PVC cladded dito. Tapos may backlight siya dito. So yun, may konting retouch lang and all. Ang ganda ng signage niya. As you can see, this one is a 3D build-up signage. Tapos mayroon pa niyan sa likod. We also have a Zed's Nest na this one is very tawag dito. Very basic natin pero napakaganda niya kasi mabilis lang, very minimalist. Then it comes with a very cute na menu. Na the good thing is yung menu niya is walang, as you can see, walang price. So you can change or you customize your prices from time to time at mababago niyo siya from depende rin sa costing nyo, syempre. Kasi business tayo di ba? We also have Torre Francas with the custom glass shelves dito. Meron pang framing na ilalagay dito sa gilid for safety features. Also, meron siyang 3D build-up na signage. Yun. Ito, lighted rin to. Plus, magkakaroon pa ng canopy dito to cover your client from the shades of the sun. Okay? Yun. We also have here mangkok. Ito sa mangkok naman, ito magiging wooden to. Yung gusto ko, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya, yung ilalagay natin na wooden panel dito sa flooring niya. Tara, pasok tayo. Here we have our fabrication area. Kung saan, ito yung sinasabi ko always, i-compare natin. Let's have a comparison. Itabi natin siguro. Let's hanap tayo ng tulong. As you can see, we have a different model also for this one. Kasi minsan yung client namin, meron silang e-bike na, meron silang motorcycle na pang cargo, pinapagawa na lang sa amin yung food cart nila. As you can see guys, this is the difference between the Vesla food cart at saka yung mga normal na mga food cart or sa ibang food cart. Kasi ito, medyo na mas mataas to compare sa iba. As you can see on the other side, yan yung Vesla food cart sa kabila. Eye level yung Vesla food cart compared with the other na pag-cargo siya or other na type of vehicle na ginagawa natin food cart. Yun yung difference niya. Bakit tinatawag na high level si Vesla food cart? So what we have also here is our multi-cab na fabrication. This is found sa San Roque. We also have a Tamaraw. Yun. May Tamaraw rin tayong parating. We also have here. Tapos this one, We also use PVC cladding on our client. Andun pala yun. Ayun. We also have this countertop for mangkok. This one, yung countertop niya. As you can see, ito siya ginagawa siya ngayon. Comes with the, may gagawin lang kami dito kasi ito, i-extend pa to ng konti. So watch out paano yung magiging features niya. We also have here, for our cup shop, a PVC custom cladding. So guys, if you're looking for our food cart, kasi Pasko na rin, habol na, message mo na kami. Vesla Mobile e-Food Cart. Thank you. Bye-bye.